goal of our video is to explain anterior cranial fossa. I'm repeating. Yes, you can see the illumination. Yes, what you have to tell in cranial fossa. What is question which is asked in university? Show me important landmarks of cranial fossa. Remember, we are learning for examination. That is exam oriented and strategic learning. So, what is asked in anterior cranial fossa? Of course, there are anterior, middle, and posterior cranial fossae. Today, we are focusing anterior cranial fossa. This is anterior cranial fossa. Question answer, just a purpose related learning. Of course, we are not covering entirely anterior cranial fossa. We are not covering entirely anterior cranial fossa. So what is purpose? Show the landmarks. Yes, this is frontal crest. Look at my finger. It is clearly seen. Then crista galli. See the finger. See, this is crista galli. Frontal crest, crista galli. And these are cribriform plates. You can easily see. So frontal crest, crista galli, cribriform plates. And of course, you can limit the posterior boundaries. That is lesser wing of sphenoid. You can look at the finger. See how I'm moving the finger. Not necessarily how you show the things. The way you show the things is important. Look here. Once you show the cribriform plate, just it should be shown by the tip of the finger. This is cribriform plate. At the most, you can say this is a perpendicular process. This is frontal crest. Look here, but you have to move the finger towards the frontal crest. Don't show this is frontal crest. No, you have to move the finger. Here, you don't have to move the finger. You should know where to move the finger and where you don't have to move the finger. You have to move the finger. This is frontal crest. This is crista galli. And of course, this is perpendicular plate. This is area where there is cribriform plate. Look here how I am showing. Yes. And this is lesser wing of sphenoid. At the most, you can say the clinoid process, which is necessary or sometimes which is not necessary. Now, what are the contents of anterior cranial fossa? Minimum 3 contents you have to write. Look at 3-finger technique. 3 contents, that is frontal lobe, olfactory bulb, and olfactory tract. Or olfactory nerve, you can say. Frontal lobe, olfactory bulb, olfactory tract. I am repeating. Frontal lobe, olfactory bulb, olfactory tract. So this is more than enough about anterior cranial fossa as far as exam orientation is concerned. But remember, this is professional course. So exam may direct from anywhere to applied anatomy or embryology. Now remember, this is online education. But I often give example of cricket. If there is offside, now online to offside ball. If there is offside ball, examiner may tell me the importance of cribriform plate. Yes, this is offside bowling you have to face. So importance of cribriform plate. If this plate is broken, I'm just a bit slow now. If cribriform plate is broken, yes, there is a leakage of CSF, that is cerebrospinal fluid, through the nose, and person may lost, or you can say patient, use the word patient may lost the sense of smell. Have you understood? And what additions you can make in this video? You may show foramen cecum, and again the clinical importance where the frontal crest meet the cribriform plate or cribriform area. This is foramen cecum. At the most, you can tell the importance. Emissary veins connect to this area to superior sagittal sinus. This is roughly the foramen cecum. It's not clearly visible foramen. Just I'm dipping my finger down. Look here. That is the purpose of demonstration in addition to blackboard teaching. So this is foramen cecum. So there is possibility that infection from nose, they may pass to brain. There is a possibility infection from nose pass to brain. Why possibility? There is a probability also that infection from nose or related areas of face, they pass to brain, may lead to serious complications like meningitis. I am repeating, they may lead to serious complication like meningitis. So of course this is online education, but there may be offside bowling. So students should know in Viva how to know online as well as offside bowling.